Today we are making delicious homemade chocolate cookies, crispy on the edges, soft in the center, and packed with chocolate chips. Let's get started. Start by adding the butter and brown sugar to a mixing bowl. Use a hand mixer or a K-beater if you are working with a stand mixer, and cream them together until light and fluffy. Once that's done, add the egg and mix until fully incorporated. Next, add the baking soda, a pinch of salt, 50 grams of chocolate chips, 250 grams of flour. Mix everything again with the hand mixer or K-beater until your dough forms. Transfer the dough onto your workspace and shape it into a long stick, about 35 cm in length. Cut it in half, then roll each piece to match the same length. Set them aside for now. Take some cling wrap and lay it out flat. Place the dough onto the wrap and gently roll it up. Gently transfer it to the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. Once the dough has firmed up, take it out and slice it to your preferred thickness. I like mine on the thicker side. Place the slices onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake them in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 15 minutes. Once you are done baking, leave them on a cooling rack before serving. Enjoy!